Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. Today we've got something from Umai Crate. Yep, it's another Umai Crate. This is the one for the month of August, I believe. I guess we'll find out once I crack it open. Alright, let's get to it. And here we are. Alright, let's dig in. Let's see what we got here. Yep, indeed, it is the August 2018 Umai Crate. See, right there, August. So this handy dandy pamphlet gives you information about each variety, little bonus things, junk like that. It's really helpful, especially if you don't know all the ins and outs of instant noodles in Japan. There's a lot of different ways that you can prepare these things, so it's always good to have a little bit of help with the directions. So first off, we have what appears and feels like a sauce, and indeed it says Mazetsuyu cold sudachi sauce. I'll read. Typically served hot, this sudachi, a Japanese citrus fruit flavored cold noodle sauce, is sure to be a delicious dinner on a cold summer night with its sharp and yummy flavor. This pairs best with udon, but it's a great match for the somen included, or even regular pasta. They are sure to be equally refreshing and delicious. So apparently there's some somen in here too. Alright, next we have Tororo Kombu Somen. And again, I'll read. The somen is dressed with Tororo Kombu, thin and long flakes of dried kombu, a type of dried seaweed, which is a very popular ingredient in Japanese soups and a great addition for noodles. Alright, next we have Tanuki Soba by Daikaku. In the Osaka area of Japan, soba goes by the name of Tanuki Soba. Tanuki Soba in the Kanto area refers to a different dish of hot and cold soba noodles topped with tenkatsu, crunchy bits of fried tempura batter. Enjoy this hot version in the comfort of your home or on the go with its convenient cup packaging. Alright, on the go. Alright, next we've got some Wumu Kumamoto Spicy Ramen. This stuff is good. I'm pretty sure I've had this one. Alright, I'll read. Flavored with red chili paste, dubanjang, a salty paste made from fermented broad beans, soybeans, salt, and rice, and togarashi peppers. This ramen is sure to bring the extra heat and pack a punch to your taste buds this summer. Yeah, these straight noodles, yeah, you're gonna like this. Alright, next we got some Wumu Mendo Koro Somen. So this is a noodle, no broth here. I'll read. In Japan, cold somen is usually served with suyu, a light flavored dipping sauce that is usually made with soy sauce and a plethora of different add-ons such as bonito flakes, onion, and ginger. Do it yourself and make your own cold somen noodles this summer. Next we have Yamaimo Soba, and this is a variety from Itomen. Soba is a common food menu item that is served hot or cold in Japan that people regularly eat and is available in all varieties from typical sit-down restaurants to tachigui, stand-and-eat shops. Enjoy this hot soba on a cooler summer night and enjoy the rich flavors of soy sauce and bonito tuna in the broth. Next we've got some Daikaku Kitsune Udon. Enjoy a classic Japanese udon noodle dish wherever you are. This bowl is packed with thick and chewy udon noodles and a dried fillet of seasoned abaraje, fried tofu. This dish is known as fox udon in Japan, and it is believed that tofu is a fox's favorite food in some old Japanese folk tales. It's true. And here's one I think I've actually reviewed before. This is an Itomen onion soy sauce ramen. So here's what they have to say about this one. Ramen is a dish enjoyed all over Japan and is usually flavored with soy sauce or miso. Enjoy the rich broth of soy sauce with an added bonus of roasted onion to taste. and give your taste buds a unique flavor experience. And then we've got this. Check this out. This is a little shaker of seasoning. So let's see what they have to say about this. I like seasonings. Ramen pepper. This pepper is a special blend made just for ramen. It's amazing on ramen, but this perfect balance of garlic and pepper is great on just about everything. It sounds more like a togarashi seasoning. It's definitely in the right kind of container, but yeah, definitely gonna give this a shot. And I was thinking that was the bonus item. No, that is not the bonus item. That's the bonus item. What is it, you ask? Let's open it up. It's a beaver with a face on it. Bonus squirrel rice paddle. Each Umai Crate comes with a bonus item to help you around the kitchen. For this month, add this squirrel-shaped rice paddle to your utensil arsenal. Oh, that's cool. So it's squirrel-shaped. It's bumpy. Here's the face of the squirrel. That's cool. We do enjoy rice here. Alright, so in this neato box, you get a squirrel rice paddle, Kitsune Udon, tempura soba, a special sauce, soba, ramen spice, a grip of somen, onion ramen, spicy Kumamoto ramen, a somen cup, a recipe card, and your information pamphlet, which you must not lose, because if you do, you will be in trouble. Alright, cool. Well, thank you to the folks at Japan Crate for making these Umai Crates and shooting one over. And yeah, if you want to get one of these, I've got a coupon code. And as you know, if you've been following my unboxing videos, I got to make a different sound every time to kind of announce the coupon code. So, I sincerely hope that didn't make anybody ill. Alright, well thank you very much. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, please click like. If you want to watch lots more, please click subscribe. Click the little bell next to the subscribe button, and yeah.